Hi boys and girls. We're going to take it a step further today by looking at how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. But first I want to review this strategy, the distributive property, with the 2 by 1. So this is the exact same problem that we had on Monday, and we took apart our 12 and we looked at the place value. So again, we did 10 and 2, and we multiplied both of those by 4. So 10 times 4 is 40, and 2 times 4 was 8. We added those together, and we got 48. So today, we're going to do a more difficult problem, a 3-digit by a 1-digit. So again, I'm going to take apart the place value. So I'm going to take apart the 712. So 700 is that place value. Then we have the 1, which is actually equals a place value of 10. And then we have 2. And over here we put our 3. So again, like the last time, we're going to multiply 700 times 3. And we know that 7 times 3 is 21. We add 2 more zeros because of the 700. Then we go to 3 times 10, and we know that would be 30. And then we have 3 times 2, and that would be 6. So then we're going to add up all of our numbers. So 2,100 plus 30 plus 6, we now know is 2,136. So 712 times 3 equals 2,136. Let's do one more problem together. We have 503 times 9. So hopefully by now you're doing these with me or even faster than me, which is okay too. So we're going to split them apart. This one is 500. Tricky. We have a 0 in the middle, but that one is just worth 0 because we don't have 0 tens. So it's not 2 zeros, it's just a 0. And this place is going to be the 3. And we're going to multiply all of that by 9. So let's do this together. 9 times 500. So 9 times 5 is 45. Add our 2 zeros. 9 times 0, well, that's just 0. And then 9 times 3 is 27. So we're going to add these together. So 4,500 plus 0 plus 27. And there we get 4,527. So 503 times 9 equals 4,527. Okay, so today it's your turn to do the 3-digit by 1-digit distributive property multiplication. Good luck!